British pound versus the US dollar, guys. After the UK, the United Kingdom inflation data. Also yesterday we had the US inflation data. So I will talk about this market, about the new buying zone, because after this massive drop and sell-off, it could rebound, it could develop a new leg higher and swing higher after reaching the buying zone. So risk disclaimer here, please read it, and support if you have questions. Thank you, guys. So let's take a look on the British pound versus the US dollar. But first of all, earlier today, United Kingdom consumer price index, lower inflation, guys, reported by the United Kingdom. Maybe this could be a surprise. After yesterday's US inflation data, higher inflation reported by the US in the last month. So right now, also lower inflation reported by the United Kingdom in January, and later today, guys, we'll have high impact events. US data could be decisive. So core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Index, and the retail sales. Don't forget also industrial production, capacity utilization rate. So all these could really shake the markets, could move the market. So you'll have to be careful, okay? Because anything could happen. But technically, guys, yeah, here it has failed to stay above the former high, okay? Strong sell-off, retest maybe here, and maybe here it has signaled the potential downside movement after taking out the immediate lows. So right now, actually personally I want to, because this could also represent, guys, a potential maybe a potential flag or a potential channel, right? But right now is almost to hit the uptrend line, okay? It remains to see how it will react here around the uptrend line, because a rebound maybe towards this area here maybe could bring us maybe potential new short opportunities, okay? But taking out maybe the uptrend line and reaching this zone here may signal a potential strong rebound, because but it remains to see, right? Because I've told you, high impact events from the United States, and if the economic data will come in worse than expected, guys, worse than expected, if the US will report poor economic data, then most likely the British pound versus the US dollar will turn to the upside, will develop a new leg higher, okay? And in my opinion, only better than expected US data could force the pair to approach and reach new lows. So right now, if the price will only rebound from here, from around the uptrend line, then maybe I will look for potential shorts from around the supply zones, supply areas, or I will look for longs after maybe after reaching this demand zone, okay? Because in my opinion, only a valid breakout, something like this, and taking out, invalidating this demand zone could open the door for a deeper drop, for a larger downside movement, could really activate this flag pattern, this up channel, as a bearish continuation pattern, okay? So yeah, this could represent a bearish pattern, but right now only a new lower low here and invalidating this demand zone may signal a potential downside movement maybe towards this area, towards this zone. But as long as it stays maybe within the up channel's body and very important above this zone here, it could develop a new leg higher, okay? So right now I'll wait for confirmation here in the short term. So temporary rebounds could bring a new sell-off, downside continuation, a deeper drop towards, at least towards this uptrend line and towards this demand zone. Thank you, guys. Don't forget about the economic data, and please read the disclaimer, support if you have questions. Very important. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. And if you want to join the VIP groups, learn to trade Forex signals. Bye bye.